In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate Instinct in Blox Fruits on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use and activate your Instinct in Blox Fruits. So after you acquire the Instinct, you will be able to use it with any controller. So regardless of the controller that you are using, either a DualShock controller or DualSense controller, you will be able to activate the Instinct by pressing left on the D-pad. So as you can see, I've highlighted it on screen for you. So immediately upon pressing left on the D-pad, you should be able to see the Instinct go off, and you will be able to repeat this process as many times as you wish. If it doesn't go off, it could be due to the fact that you haven't actually learned the Instinct. So you need to purchase the Instinct for 750,000 from a specific NPC, the Instinct Teacher. Make sure that you are level 300 or higher and that you have killed Saber Expert at least once. And as long as you have all of these requirements met and you press left on the D-pad on your DualShock or DualSense controller, you will be able to activate Instinct. You can now level it up through various levels all the way up to level 7 where you get various charges, and this is all you have to do in order to activate and start training it. So press left on the D-pad on your controller and you will be good to go. There is no way to change this button assignment. It is going to be set up by default, and sadly the developers do not give users the option to change this. It should work for console if you are playing natively using DualShock controller, or if you connect the DualShock controller to your PC and you play Blox Fruits here, you will also be able to use it by pressing left on the D-pad. And the same is also true for Xbox. So regardless of the controller that you have, it is always going to be on the D-pad pressing left. The other buttons on the D-pad will do different actions, but for the Instinct, as long as you have it, you will be able to press left to activate it. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate Instinct in Blox Fruits PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.